Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. First, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Whisk them well until they're nice and frothy. Eggs are the base of so many great dishes, and they add that perfect smooth texture. Friends, it warms my heart to see where you're from. Share your country and city, and if you're in the US, let me know your state. Next, let's heat up our pan. Pour some olive oil in. Then drop in about a 1/4 stick or 30 grams of butter. The butter gives the dish that creamy, rich flavor, while the olive oil helps everything cook evenly. While that's melting, let's chop up 1 onion. The smell of sautéed onions always takes me back to family dinners. There's something so comforting about it. I can still remember my mom's kitchen, where the aroma of onions sizzling in the pan meant a warm meal was on the way. It's one of those smells that instantly makes me feel at home. If you have any questions about the recipes, leave them in the comments and I'll respond as soon as I notice them. Add the chopped onion to the pan and cook it until it's soft and golden. This step really helps bring out the natural sweetness of the onion. Now, grate 3 medium-sized potatoes. I love potatoes in dishes like this. They're so hearty and filling. Plus, they'll give our dish that perfect texture. Potatoes have a way of bringing everything together, don't you think? They absorb all those delicious flavors and create a comforting base. They're also packed with vitamins and fiber, which makes them a great addition to any meal. Plus, they make this dish so satisfying. You just can't go wrong with potatoes. Grating them helps them cook evenly and gives us that nice smooth texture we're looking for. After grating, make sure to squeeze out the water from the potatoes. Add the grated potatoes to the pan with the onions. If you liked the video, feel free to give it a like. Your support is always welcome. Give everything a good mix. Friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more recipes like this one. Next, grate 1 carrot. Carrots are full of flavor and color. I love adding them to savory dishes. They bring that natural sweetness that balances out the richness of the beef later. Carrots are also packed with vitamins, especially vitamin A, which is great for your vision and skin. Add the grated carrot to the pan and stir it in. Let it all cook together, making sure to stir occasionally to keep everything from sticking to the bottom. Then chop 1 bell pepper into small pieces. Bell peppers are such a versatile vegetable. They add a pop of color and a mild sweetness that really brightens up a dish. Did you know that bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C? In fact, they have even more vitamin C than oranges. So not only do they taste great, but they're also fantastic for boosting your immune system and supporting your skin. Plus, when they cook down, they get wonderfully tender and sweet perfect for enhancing all the flavors we're building here. Toss it into the pan. Stir everything together. Next, mince 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic brings such a lovely aroma, and it's one of those ingredients that truly makes a dish come alive. Add it to the pan. Let everything cook for a minute or two, just until the garlic softens and releases its fragrance. Now, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Let it all cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until everything is tender and golden. Then remove the pan from the heat and transfer the mixture to a bowl. Now, take your whisked eggs from earlier and add them to the veggie mixture. Then, chop a small bunch of parsley. I love adding fresh herbs like parsley. It really brightens up the dish. Toss the chopped parsley into the mixture. Next, take 10 ounces or 300 grams of soft cheese and grate it. I love using soft cheese in dishes like this because it melts so beautifully, creating that creamy texture we all love. Plus, it adds a mild, comforting flavor that blends perfectly with the other ingredients. Soft cheese like this is also a great source of protein and calcium, which are important for strong bones and overall health. Add half of the cheese to the mixture. We'll save the rest for later. Then add 3 ounces or 150 grams of ricotta cheese. Ricotta will make our filling extra creamy and give it a light, airy texture. Mix everything well, making sure all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Now it's time to prepare the baking dish. Take a little butter and grease the muffin tin, making sure each cup is coated well. Then take the potato mixture and form little baskets in the muffin cups. Press the mixture into the bottom and up the sides, making little nests to hold the filling later. Be sure to pack it in well so the baskets hold their shape while baking. Place the muffin tin in the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 20 minutes until the potato baskets are golden and crispy. Next, add some olive oil to a pan. Then add half a pound or 220 grams of ground beef. Break it up as it cooks, making sure it gets nice and browned. As the beef cooks, chop 1 tomato. Their natural acidity helps balance the richness of the beef, giving the dish a nice, bright contrast. It's always those little touches, like fresh tomatoes, that elevate a dish and make it feel wholesome and satisfying. Add it to the pan. Stir well. Now add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. One teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix everything together and cook until the beef is fully cooked through and the flavors meld together beautifully. Once the potato baskets are done baking, remove them from the oven and spoon the beef mixture into each one. Then top them with the rest of the potato mixture. Sprinkle the remaining cheese on top so it melts beautifully as the baskets finish baking. Return the muffin tin to the oven and bake for another 15 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. While the baskets finish baking, let's prepare a simple sauce. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Grate 1 garlic clove on a mini grater. Add it to the bowl. Chop up some parsley. add that too. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, then stir everything together until smooth. Once the potato baskets are done, take them out of the oven and plate them up with the sauce on the side. Just look at them, golden, crispy on the outside, and so soft and flavorful on the inside. These baskets are so hearty and satisfying, perfect for a cozy family meal. And honestly, they look as good as they taste. The cheese melted perfectly, and the filling is just bursting with flavor. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope this recipe brings as much warmth and joy to your home as it does to mine. Until next time, happy cooking!